everyone, it's Chef Alina Z with a confession. I am absolutely obsessed with spaghetti squash. I'm gonna show you how to make a very good and easy comfort food when you're craving that heavy pasta. So we're gonna start with garlic. We're gonna press it into the garlic press, put it in the pan. I'm using a small pan. I'm doing it just for one serving for me. Grapeseed oil, never cooking with olive oil. You remember that, I know that. The garlic starts smelling so quickly, it's amazing, I love it. We are going to use Beyond Meat Bratwurst, and I have this leftover Bratwurst in the freezer. I'm like, oh, this is gonna be great. I'm gonna put it directly on the pan. So we're browning up the vegan sausage. As you guys know, I do eat meat sometimes, but not on a regular basis, not for entertainment. And this meal is total entertainment. Like, this is, I mean, it's good for me, obviously, but like, it's just so freaking good. This is indulgent food. Okay, I have spaghetti squash. The first time I tried spaghetti squash, I'm like, what is this? This is so weird, because I didn't know how to cook. But when you steam it, when you steam the spaghetti squash instead of baking it or roasting it, it comes out so nice and moist and juicy and yummy, and it's easy, and it's 15 minutes. So wham bam, this is awesome sauce. So just mix it up, and then if you want, of course, you can make your own pasta sauce, and you can see the pasta sauce I've made in my meatballs and pasta video. I love this one if you don't have time to cook. Tomato, basil, marinara from Trader Joe's. It's organic, it's $3. Like, come on. Trader Joe's is my savior. I think Trader Joe's is a religion to some people. I tell you, like, people were camping out in front of Trader Joe's in Naples, Florida, when the first Trader Joe's came to Florida. And I mean, I'm not that obsessed, but like, I totally understand those people. All right, then I'm gonna decorate it a little bit with parsley, just to make it pretty, because we want pretty. Like, why not? It doesn't take much time to put parsley on it. But look how beautiful, and it goes with my little Italian themed look. How can it not be good? So if you like it, if you want more recipes, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you can get these recipes delivered right to your inbox. So cheers to your health, and until later, bye!